I might put some of that threaded rod through that board down there that the doors are hanging on that I'm working on. And take some of this, take some of that, and use it as an insulator inside the wood so that the threaded rod doesn't wear crackage into the wood. And bolt that on good, see, and then have these things hanging from it. Like right now, I just got these pieces of rebar up there. But I could put a piece of that half-inch pipe in there. What do you call that pipe? Electrical pipe. What do you call it? Somebody knows. Tell me. Half-inch conduit pipe. I put a little piece of conduit up there and then put this through it. And put a bolt on the back side. Hang these things up on the front side. Okay, so the next thing, y'all paying attention now? Because I'm not just chitter chattering like this for fun. I mean, I got important things I'm trying to relay to y'all as we go along. So the next thing I'm going to do is bring a trailer around here, like I done said before, and put one of these on it and start putting some metal on that. Let me go get the trailer first, and the lawnmower. I started to get it this morning, but it was wet out here from where it had rained, and the seat was wet. I don't know if you've ever sat down on a lawnmower with a wet seat or not, but once the back side of your body, you know, that part that you sit on gets wet, your pants get wet, it just makes your day feel miserable after that. So I wish that hadn't happened, because I had my cable in there, but it didn't break anything. I hate when that happens. Hang again. Yep, that looks okay. And that one is still hooked. So I think I didn't break anything. Not this time. But we ain't done yet. It could happen at any moment. Alright, contact. Missed it. Now we can take one of them doors, throw it on that trailer, and then go down there and get some tin and throw it on that top of that door. Yeah, and then this is going to be the challenge, getting this in and out of here. But of course, I'll be setting it over there, so one of the holes it crooked wise like this, see, I should be able to walk it over there. And today I'm walking it out of here, so that requires a little different angle